Ano gagawin ko?
Si Buck Nevy. This is the barracks street.
Oo.
This is the barracks street. Ikoy on the right side. Growing on the left side.
Oh, shut up, motherfucker!
Get it on. Big got
Topic.
Run Django. Ikoy goes first.
Ano tayo?
Growing back.
Si Growin ba? Tara, Growin. Taga lang.
Dito ka lang.
Yung cameraman niya ako eh. Wow.
Damn! So big! Fuck!
Wow.
Ano ka na eh? Kaya? Orange. Growing. One pala. Pre! Don't shove it.
Change deck. Change deck. Hey, my deck, man, loose.
That's one later.
Ewan ko. Back. Ay, frontside. Frontside. Sino ba?
Lahat na lang kinuha na.
Sino ba? Hey, who's that? Who's that guy?
Oh, siya.
Uy. Sino na?
Ikaw na. Ito na nga lang. Frontside. SKA.
Sabi yung kalaban ni Jeff Gonzalez na, ano? Ay, nire-record pala ako. Nire-record pala pati boses ko. Malamang. Fuck you, man.
Camera. I would like to say hi to my mom. Say hi, States. Shut the hell up. Oh, what the fuck, man?
What's that?
Okay. I didn't see it. So we got
Hey, who are you? You're out of the game, man. Ano nga yung ulitin?
Stop. Oh, without wheel this. Dash flip.
Whoop.
Yan, John. All north na para walang mahalo.
Oh, who's that guy, man?
Who are you, that guy? On the north.
yung boses mo. Re-record yung boses mo.
I'm not Devin Morales.
I'm not never Morales.
Kasalas yung laban na to ah. Ano mo yung bata?
Teka lang, sino na ba?
Ako na. Whoop! Ano yung bata?
Lumog. Ay, Diyos na nga eh. Sina?
Joey.
Whoop.
Going by the barrel. Uy. Are you saying exchange? Na. On the winner right? Guys, make some noise!
Make some noise!
Make some noise!
Hey, kids, make some noise!
OC! I would see.
I'm the camera, sir. Yo, Bugoy, what can you say about the patch, man?
What do you guys say about fight? Who win? Who win? The bottom kid or the white shirt kid? OG!
Yeah, no, no,
Yeah, OG! David Morales?
Push the putang ina!
No, OG! OG man,
Still emotional.
OG emotional.
I understand your feelings, man. It's alright, sir.
The winner is?
What can you say about the match, sir?
No. It was a top fight. Everybody's.
Shut the hell up,
Give it up. Give it up. And going stumble. Going stumble. I will get to Ikoi.
Oh, thank you. What can you say about the match, sir? Fuck you, man.
Oh, growing as some rebound. Fucking shit. Rapping video crew.
I'm rubbing that boom. Okay, man, let's go to the flip top, son. No flip top, homie. Yo, never knew all this, yo. What's the flip top, son? What the fuck? I'm the referee, man. Shut the fuck up. I'm Nick Mountain.
Extra.
And my homie, Soti Butas, and Nevin Morales from Mexico, man. Mexico. Make some noise, homie. Fuck you, homie.
Barangay Tibay, rapping Barangay Tibay, Vito crew.
Yeah,
All that
right.
shit. Thanks, Specs, for my shirt.
How about you, sir?
Fuck what?
Okay, let's get it on, homie. Let's get it on.
Hey. Alright. Man on the right, corner there.
Right.
Man on the right. Who
Man
goes
on-
first? Who goes first? Okay, you go first.
You go first, homie.
I wanna take my care for the shoes.
Yeah, right.
Bobo mo. Hindi na kita kailangan labanan. Dahil hindi ka naman mananalo, ibig yung contest ay tsupaan.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Ayoko na! Go with them!
How about you?
Yo!
Hey.
Katol! Hindi mo na kailangan ng ano. Saan ba nang galing yung bonus mo? Saan ba nang galing yung bonus na yan? Bakit hindi ka pumunta pa kay Kalayan? Tingnan mo mukha mo, oh, sobrang pangit.
Alright, Sean Belly versus Kalayans in the house, yo.
Hey, kala ko ba si Flip Top? Tao? Kala ko
Jem, bawal bulul.
Kala ko si Flip Top puro tao, ako yung nagtataka. Tingnan mo nga yung kalaban ko, tao ba yan? Ba't mukhang paa?
Yeah. How about you?
Dude, sobrang bobo, man. Sobrang bobo. You have a low grado. You're low grado. Ba't yung baga kay Pahardo?
Yan na.
Tago si Sir Pahardo! Upang, pre, sagutin mo. Upang, why ng Cody go?
Pre, ikaw na. 1 minute for Ikoy.
Huwag yun na i-post yan ah.
Jem, okay.
Pre, sagutin mo. Oo o hindi. Di ba yung balls mo, tabingi?
Jem, it's true.
Say hi to the fucking... Oh, puta.
Fucking Nike SB. Okay, man. You. Tangin na mukha yan.
Anong patay? Alam mo, pumunta ako sa inyo. Galo ko yung nanay.
Another match, sir. Goal by spray, homie. What's up with flip top, man? Post.
Pre, kilala mo si Batas? Tingnan mo lang si Ontoy. Dagdagan mo ng balbas.
Oh, yun.